Hey, here's a strange thing. This morning, there was a 12-year-old girl on the Today Show who's suffering from a mystery medical condition that has the experts baffled.
12-year-old Lauren Johnson, you see, has a rather bad case of the achooves.
I can't stop sneezing. It goes off about 8 to 9 times a minute.
The poor kid's gone through like $5,000 in Kleenex this month already. It's been going on 2 weeks. Not only can she not stop sneezing 8 or 9 times a minute, she has a little brother who can't stop doing this.
And then when you came home, you came back sneezing.
Bless you.
What do you have to say about that, about how much you want this to stop?
Bless you. It's been around 2 weeks. I've had to see my friends here and there. Talk to them, that I have been in school, so I've had teachers come out. And I've had to do homework at home. Bless you.
Well, you know, at least he's polite. You don't see that. Ever see anything like that, Guillermo?